head, out through your heels. Remembering the option to take a knee if you need to. So thinking about your obliques as you're pulling here, how they can stabilize you. Anytime we use one dumbbell, your body's gonna wanna lean away. That's what you're trying to avoid here. We're doing over-overs. Right foot on, over-over. Switch, switch. Take yourself forward. Bring yourself back. Curtsy lunge, pulse. Keep your chest lifted. Think about engaging from your core. How can it help you? You got 3 and a hop over.